How do you feel about that?
Damn. I feel blown away. Literally, because of your
You're
burp.
blown away. Evan, how do you feel about that? The burp. Good, right? Right. Your eyes look mad big. You look Asian. I'm kidding. I look Asian.
Yeah.
Hey, why you stop smiling? Yo, I'm gonna beat you up. Look, it's a mukbang.
The worst mukbang ever, but I still gotta do it.
Are you done?
No, not yet.
The apples?
Yeah. You right here?
Okay. Look at the apple. Spin around.
Oh, on the other side, yeah.
How was it?
Sensational.
Sensational.
10 out of 10. Give me 5 more.
Whoa!
Chocolate. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate fat-free milk.
Chocolate fat-free milk. Fat-free.
It says to shake well. I didn't know you had to shake them.
Neither did I.
You don't need to shake them.
It says right here, shake well.
Shake it. Go ahead, shake
Maybe
it.
there's chocolate at the bottom. You have to like.
Do you think so?
Say hi, bitch. Thank you. Hi, my friend. Marco.
Say hi. Hi, Joe.
Oh my god.
That's a camera.
10? You got the 10 on. 10.
Recording. Oh. He stood there just waiting for it.
Oh yeah.
I thought he was.
You're not saying say hi. I think that would mean
That I'm
it's
recording. Why would I say hi and then you're like standing there? I thought he was scared of the camera for a second. Hi.
No, they're not scared anymore. I take too many pictures of them.
Always. Monkey.
I used to have a video of Joe going, "Hey BBG." Not even he says, "Hey baby girl," but in like in the old man voice. It's gone now, but I have the picture of him going, "Hey BBG."
Oh, makes sense.
Look, I made a little pool.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, it is insane.
I'm so rich!
This might be as old as me. I have to search it up.
Yo, old as you is insane. What the fuck?
I remember my grandma having it when I was little. She was like, "You want the candy perfume?" I was like, "Yeah, candy." Spray. Okay. This is Victoria's Secret.
And they still have these?